today I will teach you the lesson division decimal. So let's start the warm-up. So here is the first expression, 14 divided by negative 2. That's equal negative 7. Negative 27 divided by 9. That's equal negative 3. Negative 15 divided negative 5. Negative divided positive. Divide negative is equal positive 3. Okay, so let's move on. Next one. 14 divided by 4. How can we set up? So 14 over 4 means 14 divided by 4. So long division setup. 14 gonna go under the bar and 4 gonna go outside. If you look into the multiplication chart, 4 times 3 equal 12. 14 minus 12, you have 2 left over. 4 cannot go into 2, so we have to put the decimal and we have to add the extra 0. 4 goes into 20. 4 times 5 equal 20. So the answer will be 3.5. Okay, let's do the next one. Negative 26 over 8. Negative divided positive, the answer will be a negative answer. 26 divided by 8. So if we set it up, 26 gonna go under the bar and 8 gonna go outside. 8 times 3 equal 24. 26 minus 24, we have 2 left over. 8 cannot go into 2, so we have to put the decimal, so we can drop down the 0. 8 times 2 equals 16. And we have 4 left over. 8 cannot go into 4, so we have to add extra 0. 8 times 5 equals 40. So 26, negative 26 divided by 8, we will have the answer is negative 3.25. The next problem we have is negative 17 divided by negative 5. Negative divide negative, the answer will be a positive answer. Now we do 17 divided by 5. We put 17 under the bar and 5 outside. 5 times 3 equals 15. 5 cannot go into 2, so we have to put the decimal and drop out the extra 0. So 5 times 4 equals 20. So negative 17 divided by negative 5, the answer will be positive 3 and 4/10. Okay, so let's look at how can we divide 125 divided by 5. If we have 125 divided by 5, what number should we put under the bar? 125. And we will put 5 outside. So 5 goes into 12 2 times, so 2 times 5 is 10. We drop down the 5. 5 goes into 25 5 times. So 125 divided by 5 equals 25. How can we do differently if we have 12 and 5 10 divided by 5? first of all, how many times 5 is going to 12? 2 times, right? 2 times 5 is 10. Okay, what is the next thing you see between 2 and 5? It is a decimal, right? So we have to bring up the decimal. Okay, and now we can drop down the 5. 5 goes to 25 5 times. So the keywords in here is whenever you see the decimal, you have to bring it up to the answer right away. Let's practice this one. If you have 15 and 5/10 divided by negative 5, positive divide negative, the answer will be a negative answer. So 15 and 5/10 gonna go under the bar, and 5 gonna go outside. How many times 5 going to 15? 3 times, right? 3 times 5 is 15. 15 minus 15 is 0. Between 5 and 5 we see the decimal, so we have to bring up the decimal. Now we can drop out the 5. 5 goes to 5 1 time. So 15 and 5/10 divided by negative 5, the answer will be negative 3 and 1/10. Next problem, negative 1 and 54 hundredths divided by 2. Negative divide positive, the answer will be a negative answer. Now we can put 1 and 0.54 under the bar, and we put 2 outside. 2 cannot go into 1, so we have to put 0. The next thing we see is the decimal, so we have to put the decimal. So now we will take 15. 2 goes to 15 about 7 times, right? So 7 times 2 is 14. 15 minus 14, we have 1 left over. And we can drop down another 4. So same thing. 2 going to 14 about 7 times. So negative 1.54 divided by 2, the answer will be negative 0.77. The last problem I want you to look at is 15.75 divided by negative 3. Positive divide negative, the answer will be a negative answer. Then you can put 15.75 under the bar, and you put 3 outside. 3 going to 15 about 5 times. Okay, then before you go to 7, you see the decimal, so you have to bring up the decimal. Now you can drop the 7 down. 3 going to 7 about 2 times. 2 times 3 is 6. Now you can bring down the 5. 3 going to 15 about 5 times. So 15.75 divided by negative 3, the answer will be negative 5.25. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.